For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is an incredible drone that combines all the essential features for both beginner and seasoned drone enthusiasts. I've had the chance to test it out in a variety of scenarios, and the results speak for themselves. With its 1-inch image sensor and 2.4 micrometers pixels, it's no surprise that this drone captures stunning 5.4K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, offering crisp, clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. From personal experience, the first time I flew it during sunset, the colors and clarity were absolutely stunning, even when the light was fading. One feature that truly sets the DJI Air 2S apart is its advanced 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 3.0 transmission technology, which provides a 7.5-mile range for video transmission. I've tested this on longer flights, and the video feed remains smooth and uninterrupted, which was a game-changer compared to previous models I've used. Whether you're flying high above a field or over a cityscape, this drone keeps your image feed steady and clear. The Fly More combo comes with 2 extra batteries, giving you a total of 31 minutes per battery. This means longer flight sessions without worrying about constantly swapping batteries, which is a huge plus during my longer shoots. What really impressed me, though, was the MasterShots feature. It's basically the next level of DJI's quick shots, and I couldn't believe how simple it was to create cinematic shots. The drone takes control and executes a sequence of movements to capture professional-looking footage. During my recent trip to a national park, I used MasterShots, and it made capturing those sweeping aerial shots a breeze. It's definitely a feature I would recommend for anyone who wants high-quality content without spending hours on manual adjustments. When it comes to tracking subjects, DJI has really nailed it with FocusTrack. The combination of Spotlight 2.0, ActiveTrack 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0 makes following or circling a subject effortless. For example, I recently used ActiveTrack to follow a friend cycling through the woods. It kept them perfectly centered in the frame, even as they sped through some tricky terrain. That kind of tracking capability gives you more freedom to concentrate on composition while the drone does the hard work. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional content creator, this drone delivers in every aspect, from image quality to intelligent flight features. It's an investment that'll help you produce amazing footage with ease, and from my own experience, I can confidently say it's one of the best drones out there right now.